one side all tacked together. Go ahead and repeat on the other side, and then we'll do all our finish welding on this, and then we'll start on the next part. Alright, the next step in the process, now that we have the frame fully welded and ground down, is to start on the finishing pieces. The first thing up here is going to be the mounts for the casters. This is the caster we're going to be using. It's dual wheel, swivels. It came off of a grocery store magazine and candy racks. I scrapped out a bunch of them 20 years ago and kept the casters. I had a couple hundred of them, and they've been used up over the years. I'm down to probably 3 or 4 sets now. So this is what we're going to use. The best way to mount these is to drill a hole in your mounting plate and then stick the caster through it, put a piece of 3/8 inch pipe or tube, ID tube, down over it, weld around it, and that holds it in place. On the mounts here, I don't want these sharp corners because, well, everybody knows how sharp corners work. So I'm just going to grab a scribe here. I'm out of the proper size tubing for these, so we're just gonna do a little bead around the stem. That'll hold it in place. Good enough for this job. Next step is putting the wheels on. I've got the bar clamped where it goes on the frame. I'm just going to put a couple of tack welds here and then we'll get it finished welded. Alright, we need our top plates for each side and some filler plates, and then we'll get to building the drawers or the shelves in the bin. Alright, we're just going to repeat for the other side, and one thing I almost forgot, want to keep any metal shavings from falling down inside, so I'm just going to tack this little piece of plate over the hole we drilled to access the screws. Want to be careful doing that too, because you don't want your ground I had my ground down here on the frame, and so all the current had to pass through the bearings, but no worse for wear. But that'll keep random chips from falling down inside there, and if we ever need to access it, just a couple of quick grinds with the grinder and that'll pop right off. Alright guys, next step is the outfeed tables. Catch you in the next video.